In this video, I'm gonna show you step by step how you can start a faceless YouTube automation channel just by using free AI tools without showing your face and without using your voice. And the best part is you can start this business with $0. Okay, yes, you can start with $0, and I'm gonna show you guys step by step how you can do it. Okay, so I did some research and I found this faceless YouTube channel over here. As you can see, it's close to 1 million subscribers, and this channel is monetized, as you can see over here. Okay, so this channel upload faceless YouTube videos about health niche. Okay, as you can see, for example, like this one, and as you can see, those videos are getting a million of views. This one 5 million views, 5 million views. This one, what happened to your body when you start eating honey, 3 million views. The best part, guys, is that those videos are evergreen videos. Okay, meaning that if you make like those videos, you can keep getting views for a month, even for years. Okay, so this niche is really profitable. And as you can see over here, if we click on view channel state, you can see, so let me show you, you can see over here in the last 13 days this channel got 3 million views. Okay, so this channel is really making a lot of money. Okay, and as you can see, those videos are very simple to make, okay, for free. Okay, I'm gonna show you how you can do it. So for example, let's take this video over here. Okay, what happened to your body when you start eating honey? 3 million views. I'm gonna make like this video. Okay, so what you will do, what you need to do, you just need to go to chat gpt to make YouTube script. Okay, so if you don't have an account on chat gpt yet, you can go to Google, search for chat gpt, create your account, and I'm using just free version, as you can see. Okay, so click over here and ask ChatGPT, make an engaging YouTube script about what will happen to your body, okay, when you start eating honey every day. Okay, every day, and I'm gonna click over here, and chat gpt will create an engaging and professional YouTube script for you, as you can see over here. Okay, what you need to do next is you need to turn this YouTube script into voiceover. I'm gonna show you how you can do it. Okay, so let's check our script. As you can see, this is your title: the sweet secret transformative effects of eating honey every day. This is your introduction. As you can see, you can put your channel name here and scroll down. So why honey, you ask? Well, it's, as you can see, this is really amazing. Okay, so what you will do, just copy this script. I'm gonna copy this part to show you guys how you can do it. Copy your script, go to Google, search for PlayHT, click on this link over here. Okay, so this website will turn your YouTube script into a voiceover for free. So you will be directly in this page. So you just need to sign up by using your email address, and it's really easy and simple, and it's for free. Click over here on change voice, and this website has really some really engaging voiceovers. Okay, and they have a lot of voiceovers, as you can see. Let's check, for example, this one.
Hey, I'm Will from Amazon. I'm calling in regards to the laptop stand you ordered last week. We've just, rolled out a promotion, and it turns out that the product you bought is now...
They are really like a human voiceover, as you can see. This is really amazing.
Alright, so teaching subtraction to a kid, can actually be like pretty fun and engaging. You could maybe start with, I don't know, maybe visual aids like counters or pictures to, help.
So let me know in the comments, guys, what's your opinion about this new AI voiceover website. They have American voiceover, British voiceover. If you keep scrolling down, they have really a lot of different voiceover that you can check. Australian voiceover, Canadian voiceover, and choose which one you like. So for me, I like to use this one, Samuel.
Once upon a time, in a magical forest, there lived a little fairy named Rosie.
So what I will do, I will click on this voiceover, I will keep scrolling down and I will click on confirm. Okay, so I'm gonna use this voiceover. I will put my YouTube script here like this. Okay, and I'm gonna click over here on generate speech, and this website will turn this script into voiceover. As you can see, it's almost done. Let's check. And what we will do next, we will turn this voiceover into YouTube video.
So, why honey, you ask? Well, it's not just a sweetener, it's a superfood with a myriad of health benefits, from improving your immune system to giving you a natural.
It's really amazing. It's really nice. You can really make some engaging YouTube videos with this voiceover. Okay, click over here on this icon, and your voiceover will be downloaded to your laptop. What you need to do next, you will go to Google and you will search for Canva. Okay, it's super easy. Search for Canva. You can use it for free. You can sign up just by using your email address. After you finish, this will be your home page. Click over here on video, and it's gonna take you to this page over here. Click on upload. Okay, click on upload file and upload your voiceover. Okay, so let me find my voiceover. I'm gonna click over here. I will click on download, and this is my voiceover here from my laptop. I will click on open. Your voiceover will be over here. As you can see, click over here on add page and add more page that will be matched with your voiceover. Okay, I'm gonna add those page. Click on the first page here, click on your voiceover. Your voiceover will be over here. This is, so as you can see, what you will do next, click over here on elements, click on the search. Okay, click on the search and search for honey. Okay, click on videos and choose which video you want to use for your YouTube videos. Okay, so I'm gonna choose, for example, this one. I will click on this video. Your video will be over here. Okay, I'm gonna delete this. So what you will do, click on the first page. Okay, click on the first page and click on your video that you want to use in the first. I'm gonna use this one. Click on these 3 points. Click on set video as background. Click here and swipe left. Swipe left. Keep clicking and swipe left. Make this video short, just to 2-3 seconds. Click on the next page. Add a different video. I'm gonna add this one. I'm gonna click on this 3 points again, set the video as background, and I'm gonna make it just to 2 seconds. Click and add different videos about honey. Okay, to make your video more engaging and professional. I'm gonna use also this one. Click on these 3 points, click on set video as background, make it short. Click on the next page, scroll down. Okay, keep scrolling down. You can find a lot of videos here about honey that you can use. Okay, I'm gonna use this one. Click on these 3 points, set the video as background, make it short. Click on the next page, and that's it. Keep searching for different videos about honey. Okay, so let me see. I'm gonna use this one, make it like this, set the video as background, click on the next page, and I will add this one like this, and I will make it short. So what you will do next, go to the first page, click between those 2 pages, click on add transition and choose which transition you want to add between your videos. You can add different transition between each part. Okay, so for me, for example, I'm gonna just use this one, match and move, and they will make it to just to 0.3 seconds, and click on apply between all page, and here you go. Let's check this video now. I'm gonna also show you guys how we can add subtitle, an engaging subtitle to this video to make it more engaging.
So, why honey, you ask? Well, it's not just a sweetener, it's a superfood with a myriad of health benefits, from improving your immune system to giving you a natural energy boost. The effects are truly
As you can see, guys, it's really amazing. Okay.
So, why honey, you ask? Well, it's not just a sweetener, it's a superfood with a myriad of health benefits. From improving your immune system to giving you a natural energy boost. The effects are truly incredible.
That's really amazing. As you can see, I'm gonna just make this one match with my voiceover, and I will delete this part. You can make this video long, okay? So you can go and copy the next parts of your script on ChatGPT, okay? And go to this website again to play HT, turn this script into voiceover, and add your voiceover here again, and make this video long, okay? After you finish, click on share, click on download, and click over here on download, okay? And this video will be download to your laptop. And after this video will be download to your laptop, I will show you how you can add an engaging subtitle to this video, okay? How you can add caption to this video to make it even more engaging and professional, okay? So I will get back to you guys when this video will be downloaded to show you how you can add caption for free to this video. And my video was downloaded to my laptop, guys, as you can see. So what you will do to add caption or subtitle to this video to make it more engaging, you just need to go to CapCut, okay? It's super easy. Go to Google, search for CapCut. You can use it if you don't want to download this CapCut as app to your laptop. You can use their website on Google. If you want, you can download it to your laptop or to your phone and you can use it. So we will use CapCut. Click on your CapCut app like this. You will be directly in this page of your CapCut website or app like this. What you will do, click on import, okay? Click over here on import and import your video, okay? So this is my video.
So, why honey, you...
As you can see, click on import. Your video will be over here. Click on your video and put your video here. Keep clicking and put your video here. And click over here on text. Okay, click on text, click over here on auto caption and select this and click on create. This website will add caption to this video for free. This website was added caption to this video. So what I will do, I will click on this caption, I will click on effect, and I'm gonna use this one. And now it's really looking good, and I'm gonna make it a little big like this. You can click and move this one over here. So let's check right now to see.
So, why honey, you ask? Well, it's not just a sweetener, it's a superfood with a myriad of health benefits. From improving your immune system to giving you a natural energy boost. The effects are truly incredible.
And as you can see, guys, we just made an amazing faceless YouTube video. What you will do next, so to make it even more engaging, click over here on media, okay? Click on import and you can add some background music to make this video more engaging and professional, okay? So let me see if I can find some good background music. So I will add a background music from my laptop over here, okay? Click on import. So just keep clicking on your background music and put your background music in your video, okay? Like this. And what you will do next, you will make this one here, and you will click here. And they will just click here to delete this part, and I'm gonna delete this part. So double click, delete, okay? Click on your background music, decrease his volume to 24, okay, like this. So let's check right now. This video will be more engaging.
So, why honey, you ask? Well, it's not just a sweetener, it's a superfood with a myriad of health benefits. From improving your immune system to giving
And here you go guys, your video will be done. Okay, click over here on export and click on export, and this video will be exported to your laptop. That's how you can start a faceless YouTube channel like this, without showing your face and without using your voice, and just with $0 from scratch. Okay, it's really super easy. Those videos are getting millions of views. What happened to your body when you start eating honey? It's super easy. I just made this video as you can see over here. Okay, super easy. Thank you so much for watching, and if you have any question, leave it in the comments, and see you in my next video.